Welcome back to automobilitystore.com. In today's episode of Scooter of the Week, I'd love to get a shout out to the all-new GoGo Carbon by Pride Mobility. Not only do I love the way this scooter looks, but its frame is fully carbon fiber and the wheels, giving it a weight total without the battery of only 35 pounds. It's one of the lightest ones on the market. You can get up to 10 miles per charge with this scooter and a weight capacity, believe it or not, of 300 pounds on this little guy. My favorite thing about this is the NFC smart card. This is your key. So you don't use a regular key. This will only work on your Carbon GoGo. You simply just turn the power on, press your smart key right there, and you're on. It also folds up in seconds, watch. And now you can tow it around like a piece of luggage. Now check out this test drive that I took this scooter on. Call Automobility Store today for more information on the Pride Mobility GoGo Carbon Folding Travel Scooter. Mention this video for a special offer, and please don't forget to subscribe and comment below.